In this video, we listed the 5 best AliExpress drone that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. E88 Pro Drone. The Zendo E88 Pro Drone is a versatile and feature-rich aerial photography device suitable for users of all skill levels. Weighing 115 g and equipped with a lithium battery, it offers a flight time of 5-10 minutes and a remote distance of about 100 meters. The drone features a 4K UHD video capture resolution and is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it ideal for various photography and videography applications. With a brush motor and 4 channels of control, it provides stable and responsive flight performance. The E88 Pro includes a fixed camera mount, controller with Mode 1 operation, and an app-controlled interface for enhanced user experience. Certified with CE, it comes with a package that includes a camera, batteries, remote controller, charger, USB cable, and operating instructions. Made of plastic and originating from mainland China, the Zendo E88 Pro Drone combines ease of use, advanced features, and durability for an exciting aerial photography experience for users aged 14 and above. Number 2. P15 Drone. The Hot Toys helicopter is a lightweight and versatile drone designed for indoor and outdoor use, featuring advanced capabilities for aerial photography. With a weight of 300 g and anti-wind ability of less than 10 km/s, it offers stable flight performance. The drone supports an 8K UHD video capture resolution, ensuring high-quality footage. With a flight time of 20-30 minutes and a takeoff weight of less than 1 kilogram, it provides extended aerial exploration opportunities. The Hot Toys helicopter includes a controller with Mode 1 and Mode 2 options, 2 control channels, and app-controlled features for enhanced user experience. Certified with CE, it comes with a package that includes the original box, camera, batteries, remote controller, charger, USB cable, and operating instructions. Made of durable plastic and originating from mainland China, the Hot Toys helicopter is suitable for users aged 14 and above, offering a removable or replaceable battery and a built-in display for convenient operation and customization. Number 3. V88 Drone. The Li camera drone is a high-performance aerial photography device with advanced features and capabilities. With a maximum wind speed resistance of 10 km/h and a drone weight of 450 g, it offers stable flight performance. Equipped with an aerosol spraying system spread tank volume, it provides additional functionality for various applications. The drone supports a video maximum resolution of 576i/p 720*576 and features an 8K HD video recording camera for capturing stunning aerial footage. Operating at a frequency of 5.8 GHz and equipped with GPS, the Li drone ensures reliable connectivity and precise navigation. With a flight time of 27 minutes and a maximum takeoff weight of 2 to 3 kilograms, it offers extended flight sessions and payload capacity. The Li drone is designed for aerial photography, featuring camera integration, app controller connectivity, and a camera included in the package. Originating from mainland China and bearing the Li brand name, this camera drone is a versatile and reliable tool for capturing breathtaking aerial imagery. Number 4. L900 PRO Drone. The L900 PRO Drone is a feature-packed aerial photography helicopter designed for outdoor use, offering exceptional performance and advanced capabilities. Featuring a 4K UHD video capture resolution, it ensures high-quality footage for immersive aerial experiences. With a flight time of 20-25 minutes and a remote distance of 1,200 meters, the drone provides extended flight sessions and long-range control. Equipped with a brushless motor and 4 control channels, it delivers stable and responsive flight performance. The L900 PRO Drone includes a controller with Mode 2 operation, app-controlled features, and GPS Smart Return functionality for enhanced user experience. Certified with CE and covered by a 3-year warranty, this drone is a reliable and durable choice for users aged 14 and above. The package includes the original box, camera, batteries, remote controller, USB cable, and operating instructions, offering a ready-to-go setup for aerial photography enthusiasts. Made of plastic and metal, the L900 PRO Drone originates from mainland China and comes in black, orange, or gray color options. With features like 5G Wi-Fi FPV and a 120 degrees camera lens, this drone is a versatile and powerful tool for capturing stunning aerial imagery. Number 5. L600 PRO MAX Drone. The L600 PRO MAX Drone is a versatile and advanced aerial photography helicopter designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer and a 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance system, it ensures stable flight and enhanced safety features. With a 4K UHD video capture resolution and a front camera photo resolution of 7680*4320, this drone delivers high-quality aerial footage and images. The drone features GPS one-click return, intelligent tracking, gesture recognition, and multi-point planning flight capabilities for a seamless user experience. With a flight time of up to 25 minutes and a remote distance of 3,000 meters, it offers extended flight sessions and long-range control. The L600 PRO MAX Drone includes features like foldable arms for easy portability, ESC 4K HD wide-angle camera, and a 4V/4500 mAh intelligent lithium battery for reliable performance. Originating from mainland China, this drone is packed with features such as app-controlled operation, auto-return, follow-me mode, FPV capability, GPS navigation, integrated camera, obstacle avoidance, and Wi-Fi connectivity. The package includes the drone, remote controller, spare propeller blades, user manual, screws, screwdriver, knapsack, and optional accessories like obstacle avoidance device and extra batteries, providing a comprehensive aerial photography solution for users aged 14 and above.